In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign signing responsibilities in DocuSign, a comprehensive 2025 guide that will take you through the entire process step by step. If you're new to DocuSign or need a refresher, this video is for you. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your documents signed efficiently. First, you'll need to log into DocuSign. Starting from your home screen, look for the option labeled Start. And once you click there, choose Send an Envelope. This is where you'll begin creating your document for signing. Now, go ahead and upload your document. DocuSign supports many file types like PDFs, Word documents, and even Excel files, so choose whichever format you've prepared. This document will be transformed into an electronic document that your recipients can access and sign. Next, let's move on to adding recipients. You'll find the Add Recipients section. Here, you input the names and email addresses of each person who needs to interact with this document. This is a crucial step because getting these details right ensures your document reaches the intended signers. Once you have all the recipients listed, it's time to define their roles or actions. It's important to assign the right responsibilities to each person. You might have one person who needs to sign, requiring their signature, another who needs to view, where they only need to see it, or maybe someone who should receive a copy once everything is finalized. You could also have someone who needs to approve the document without actually signing it. Simply select these options from the role drop-down next to each recipient's name. Once you've set up your recipients, head over to the Prepare Fields screen. This is where you'll get hands-on with the document, literally dragging and dropping elements onto it. You can add signature fields, initials, dates, or any necessary text fields. Make sure that for each field you place, you're associating it with the right person. Use the drop-down at the top of the page to select the intended signer, ensuring each actionable item is correctly assigned. You'll notice each field is color-coded, which correlates to the specific signer you've chosen, making the identification process a lot easier. Finally, it's essential to review everything before sending out the document. Double-check the roles, the order of signing if it's sequential, and ensure all fields are correctly assigned. When you're satisfied with this setup, click Send. Once sent, each recipient will receive an email notification prompting them to complete their part as it becomes their turn. By following these steps, not only will you ensure a smooth and seamless process, but you'll also uphold the integrity and efficiency of digital documentation. Happy DocuSigning!